Reserve Bank of India recruitment for the post of office attendants 2020. This notification was published February 24, 2021. So this is the official site of Reserve Bank of India. Just go to the careers page. You will be this is the official notification. So recruitment for the post of office attendants 2020. There are 841 posts all over India, but you need to apply to your region. So these are the tentative schedules which were given. So website link has opened already. The last date will be March 15, 2021. So the last date to pay online fees is also March 15, 2021. Tentative dates of online examination is April 9, 10 of 2021. So 9th and 10th of April the online examination will be held for these posts. So for different categories, different regions. So this is the vacancies. The vacancies for different states, as you can see here: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jammu, Jaipur, Kanpur, Kolkata, Mumbai. These are all the vacancies for different states. So you can only apply to the states which you belong. These are the vacancies, and there are the fees criteria is 50 rupees for SC ST. They are that is just intimation charges for. First we will see the age criteria. Between 18 years to 25 years for the candidates should be born earlier than 2/2/1996 and not later than 1/2/2003. So there is a relaxation of 5 years for SC ST, that is up to 30 years, and 3 years for OBC up to 28 years, and PWD candidates 10 years relaxation, and 13 years for OBC and 15 years for SC ST. For general 10 years relaxation. For ex-servicemen, the extent of service rendered by them in armed forces up to 3 years, maximum 50 years. So 10 years for those who are widows or divorced, not remarried. So this is what the age criteria for different categorical people. The scheme of selection will be based on the online examination, which will consist of reasoning, general English, general awareness, numerical ability, 30 questions, reasoning 30 marks, general English 30 questions 30 marks, and general awareness 30 questions 30 marks, and numerical ability 30 questions 30 marks. Total of 120 questions, maximum marks of 120, and just 90 minutes. So it is 90 minutes exam to comprising of 120 questions, and the exam will be bilingual except that the section of English. So there will be a negative marking for wrong answers, that is 1/4 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. So candidates will have to pass with minimum prescribed mark, that is a cutoff in each subject of online section. That is, there will be a sectional cutoff for all this section, that is reasoning, general English, general awareness, numerical ability. So LTP will be qualifying in nature. What is LTP means? Language proficiency test, means which region you belong to. There will be a language proficiency test. You need to undergo that online test that will be held by the officials after you qualify the first exam. So candidate not qualifying that test will not be considered for selection. So that is what the criteria is all about. So there will be a examination training, that is pre-examination training for SC ST, OBC, PWD candidates. So this is what the test regarding the RB assistant. This is a pay scale. So it will be around 10,940 to around 23,700. This is what the enhanced salary, 26,508 rupees for the RBA assistant. So this is regarding the post of RBA assistants, and these are the tentative schedule. Online test will be held in the month of April 9th and 10th 2021.